gospel. Wisdom and strength belong not to you. You laid down your life and died upon the cross. We become the people of hope. Worthy is the Lamb that was slain to receive honor and glory. Worthy is the ones who believe, who receive